Next, we're going to be looking at sharing into ratios. So we're going to share into ratios or divide into ratios. So to do this, we're going to have to work out the number of parts are in this ratio. And we do that by adding the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So 1 plus, so there's 1 part this side, plus 4 parts on the other side. We get 5 parts. There are 5 parts. Then we divide our total, which is £20. So we're sharing this £20, that's our total, into 5 parts. So we divide it by 5 parts. So 20 divided by 5 equals, well, this is one. We're finding 1 part. We did that by dividing the total by the 5 parts to find the value of 1 part. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 1 part is worth £4. And then, so we know on the left-hand side that would be £4. But we want to find now 4 parts because there are 4 parts on the right-hand side. So 4 parts would be 1 part, which is £4, multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So we can write on the left-hand side, because 1 part here is worth £4. Write that, and we know 4 parts is worth £16. So we'd write £4 to £16. That's how we would share £20 in this ratio. Next, we have £30, and we want to share it in the ratio 3 to 7. So if you remember from last time, we want to work out the total number of parts. So 3 plus 7, so we add the left-hand side of our ratio to the right-hand side of our ratio. 3 plus 7, we get 10. So there are 10 parts in total. Okay. Now, to find the value, because we know 10 parts equals £30. So to find the value of 1 part, we do need to divide the total £30 by 10 parts. So 30 divided by, so that's 1 part. 1 part is 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So 1 part is worth £3. Okay, but we want to find, we got 3 parts, 1 on one side and 7 parts on the other. So let's find 3 parts first. So 3 parts would be our 1 part, which is £3, multiplied by 3. We're going to go from 1 to 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 would be £9. Now we need to get our 7 parts. So to find 7 parts, we need to multiply our 1 part by 7. So our 1 part is £3. We multiply that by 7. So we get £21. £21. So we can then write this in the ratio £9 to £21. Okay, next one, 130. Bigger number here this time, big number this time. Okay, so we share 130 into the ratio 8 to 5. So let's find our total number of parts. So we do that by adding, we've got 8 parts on this side, 5 parts on this side, so we add our parts together. So 8 plus 5, total number of parts will be 13. So we know there's 13 parts. Okay, 13 parts in total. And but we want to find the value of 1 part first. So we need to divide our total value, because we know 13 parts equals 130. So we divide our 130 by 13. Hopefully, so 13 there, 13 there, you'll notice that will be 10. So that's £10, and that is 1 part. So 1 part equals £10. So hopefully this was going to be quite easy now. So we want to find 8 parts on one side and 5 parts on the other. So let's find 8 parts first. So 10 times 8. Hopefully you should know that. That is 80. So £80. Now we want to find, we've got on this side, we've got 5 parts. So 5 parts would be 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. So our ratio, we could write it as £80 to £50. That's how we'd share 130 into the ratio 8 to 5. Good luck. Speak to your teacher if you have any questions, because I know the final exam questions are a bit more wordy. But good luck, I'm sure you'll ace it.